Video is on Chrome personalization. We're going to be talking about a technique, a feature of the Chromebook that students or you can use to make the Chromebook more accessible. Today's focus is the zooming feature. We're going to talk about full screen and then, of course, just zooming and increasing and decreasing the size of the screen and tips and tricks on how to get it to a good fit for you. Now I'm going to escape and come out of my full present mode. There are a couple of ways to zoom. You can click the three dots in the upper right corner. And in the middle of the drop down is the zoom tab. Of course, you have the minus and plus that you can select to zoom. But we also have this full screen feature, which isn't like technically zooming. But as you can see, it's zooming out. It removes the distractions of the tabs at the top that can be busy and extra things for students to view. And so it can be a very helpful to put it into full screen. Now, some students struggle with getting their tabs back, but all you have to do is take your cursor and hover up at the top of the Chromebook page, and the tabs will pop down. And when you slide down, the tabs will disappear. If you want the tabs back permanently, then you would just select again on the three dots in the upper right hand corner and choose that full screen square. Now, I am already zoomed out. I know on a slides it looks weird. The main slide gets smaller, but you can also increase using keyboard shortcuts. Control plus will increase and control minus will decrease. And if you want it back to like the normal setting, you just hit control 0 and that brings it back to 100%, which is the default setting. So those are some tips for Chrome personalization using the zoom feature.